Hey guys, welcome back to Resin. Today I am super excited to share with you this product that came in the mail. So the folks at Longer reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try one of their 3D printers. So they have sent me their Orange 4K Resin 3D printer. So very excited about that. They were also kind enough to send me some of their resin so that I can try this out. So today I'm going to get this out of the box and check it out. I'm so excited, like I'm almost shaking. I've wanted a 3D printer for years and years, and I am very excited to do some cool stuff with this printer. Okay guys, so these are the first prints that I did on the longer Orange 4K, and I really love how they turned out. They have very good quality. You know, of course I don't have a lot to compare it with, but yeah, I mean, it's just very nice, some nice solid prints, you know. Of course I'm still learning, so I had a few issues with adding supports and stuff, which I will get figured out at some point. But most of these are prints for my miniatures for my 12th scale dollhouse that I'll be working on in the future. This little bucket, I mean, look at the detail in that. That's just insane. Like, how cool is that? I mean, really. That is so cool. Obviously I have some stuff I still have to work on, but little brain in there. So my dollhouse has and this, I just thought this was really cool. I mean, I shrunk this way down from a design that I found online, and it was supposed to have a hinged back, but because I shrank it so much, the hinge just fused, which is understandable. I was just trying some things out, but it does have this two-piece brain that comes out, and I mean, if I can get a hold of it, you get your left hemisphere and your right hemisphere, but look at the detail in that. I mean, that's kind of insane, honestly. And you can see a few little, a few of the little layers on there, but I mean, you can't feel them. I mean, you can see them when the light shines on them, but they're very smooth. So yeah, it's pretty cool when you consider what you can do with that thing. But my dollhouse has Frankenstein and Bride of Frankenstein dolls, so it's going to be kind of like a mad scientist medical type dollhouse. And yeah, so this is like a little shelf that I printed, and you can see that was the bottom. I still have to work on that a little bit, but yeah, I mean, the detail is pretty cool. Here you can really see those lines because of the way that I had it printed, but I mean, I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. So I'm really impressed with this 3D printer. It's pretty darn cool. I mean, you can get some pretty detailed things. Like, holy cow, look at the detail in that tiny little thing. And obviously it has some gnarly bits because I haven't sanded down, and I, got a little carried away with supports. But, like I said, I'm just still learning. And these are just random parts and things for terrain that I had printed out super tiny because I thought they would look cool in the Mad Scientist thing, So, anyway. So cool. I love this machine. It is seriously very cool. I love the quality of the prints, and as I get more used to it, I'll be printing a lot more things and sharing those with you. So really excited about that, and thank you guys so much for watching and hanging in there with me, even though I haven't been on in a while. And hopefully I'll have a lot more videos coming up soon, including a review of the Longer Orange 30. Which is a little bit different 3D printer. So check that out coming soon. And thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!